Can I go check what I wrote? Yeah, my name is my name is Akshay Shah and I come from Kenya. Microbiology and biotechnology. I eventually did a master's in food science and nutrition here at the Hafl, and I think they merged very well. So currently I'm working as an intern here at the 3D printing lab at the Hafl, and we basically 3D print food. So we basically maintain a lot of the 3D printers, and also we are in a lot of product development in terms of finding materials that can be printed. I think professionally it's given me the opportunity to understand the Swiss working culture. I come from Kenya, and there's a big difference between the Kenyan working culture and the Swiss working culture. Personally, I think it's given me the opportunity to build character, meet new people, I think, and integrate into the Swiss system. As I am currently working on several different projects that are funded by many big industries, it's allowed me to talk to a lot of industry partners, and hopefully in the future I'll be able to work in one of these industries, in the food industries here in Switzerland.